Right. So, last week we talked about festival events, invitation and refusing if we don't have time or if we cannot join. Like I invited you to come to Thailand. We have fire dance, things like that. So my question is, if you have like special events or festival around your area, how do you find, how do you know if something is happening in your area? If there is a festival or something, how do you know? How can you know?
Festival or something.
If there's a festival or if there is, something special happening around your area, how do you know? Do you know from friends? Do you find information on Facebook or do you see poster when you go out?
Uh, I'm looking for the information, especially with my friend, and then I'm looking for the Google
Okay, you find in Google?
and then YouTube.
Okay. So you find like what's happening around. How do you find? Do you find by name?
Yes, by name. It's a I want to go something places,
Mm-hmm.
something place, and then I'm looking for the especially Google and YouTube.
Okay. And does it
I
have
want to get the information.
is it helpful? Do you find what you want? Google and YouTube. Do you usually find what you want to know?
YouTube, especially YouTube, and then Google.
Google. Yeah. So you want to find something on Google or on YouTube, and if you find, do you get the result? Do you find it? Can you find?
Yes, I found it.
Okay, good. So how about like, do you have regular announcements from any clubs or organizations? For example, you subscribe a YouTube channel. Maybe it's maybe it's a music bank. So maybe it's a restaurant. So the restaurant they do announcements like we have something next month, we have something in this week. So do you also get like announcements, regular announcement?
Regular announcement.
Like, maybe if we follow a Facebook page, we will see announcement like what we are doing next week. We have special promotion like that. So do you get those kind of regular announcement from your area?
All around this.
Do you understand the question?
Yes, I understand this question.
But you don't get the announcement regularly. You don't get it, right? So yeah, regular announcement me so restaurant, bar, clubs, they announce something. So they post on Facebook. This is the announcement that we have something to do. For example, a restaurant, they are doing promotion or they are giving discounts because it's rainy season or something like this. So
Yes.
this is an announcement. So do you get those kind of announcements regularly? So do you get regular announcements in your area? No?
Uh, I don't have this regular announcement promotion.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. It could be promotion. It could be about events, festival. They can announce it, but you don't.
ဆရာဒီမှာဟိုရှိရလေဆရာသူတို့ဟိုကတော့အမြဲတမ်းရှိရလေဆရာဥမာခရီးသွား tourist နဲ့ဒီက local တွေနဲ့အဲ့လိုဆရာ price ကိုခွဲပေးထားတယ်ဆရာအဲ့တော့အမြဲတမ်းရှိရဥမာ
So
သူတို့တစ်ခုခု
how
event
do
လုပ်မယ်ဆိုရင်
yeah, how do they announce it? They do poster? Do they do
yes they always use the poster
poster? Yeah. So
poster and then ဆရာသူတို့ရဲ့ page မှာကြီးညာရယ်ဆိုတော့ဘယ်လိုပြော
they announce on page. They
they
announce.
announce on page
Yeah, announce got
yeah
yeah, right? Announcement so
how
so they announce on their Facebook page or they announce on their website on Google.
yeah they announce on their website and then they announce on their page.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's the question. That's good. So like what kind of information do you receive in the announcements? It could be like date, time. So what kind of information do you get from the announcement? What
I
information
got the announcement
they
and then price.
price? Okay. And also like what kinds of events? Is it like dancing, food, or what kind of event? What kind of festival do you get announcement from? For what? For show,
example
music,
ဟွာလေးစားဂျပန်ပွဲတော်ဘယ်လိုလဲ
flower festival?
flower festival yes example flower festival I got the information
Yeah, so you get the information of date, time, price.
date times and price
How about
location
allocation? Anything else? So you have announcement for the flower festival. Do you also get to know other information like how many kinds of flowers they be there or what can you do? Do you also get information like that? What can you do at the festival? So do you get information like that also?
အဲ့ဒါတိတ်မကြည့်မိဒီမှာကျ date time နဲ့ location နဲ့ price နဲ့အဲ့ဒါပဲကြည့်
Okay, yeah. Here,
ဟာ
yeah. So we have a similar one, especially for the Muay Thai fight. So we had different price for foreigner, for
ငွေ Thai
yeah, Muay Thai fight. So they
ဟာ
change the poster every week or every 2 days. So they change, who is fighting, who are the fighters for this week. And of course, location, time. And they do like flyers, flyers. They're not poster. They are smaller than the poster. But like they show, they sell at the beach, give to people, distribute to people. So we can see the price, time, date, and the fighters. All right. Okay, so look at the pictures from an unusual event. Can you guess what it is? So
unusual events
yeah, so you can see here Congress Avenue Bridge, Austin, Texas.
Austin
And
Texas
there is a rock concert, and you can see bags, Batman. So these are the pictures you can see. So this is about an unusual event. This is not usual. So can you guess what is this? What kind of event that would be?
က bat
So
best
so you think it's an even
I think it's even best event
bad event? Okay. So this what you think. So we were listening and trying to find out if it is bad event or not. So we are going to listen.
Lesson 4.4, page 40. Exercise 1B and 1C.
We know them from bad dreams and scary movies. Creatures of the night that drink our blood and become vampires. I'm talking, of course, about bats. But not everyone thinks bats are really scary. There is a place where these little animals are very popular. So popular, in fact, that once a year there is a festival to celebrate them. That place is Austin, Texas, and the festival is Bat Fest. Every year, bats from Mexico fly north and spend the summer under the Congress Avenue Bridge in downtown Austin, right under my feet. At the moment, it's daytime, so they're sleeping. In a few hours, when the sun starts to go down, it's dinner time. And these bats are hungry. Together, they eat about 10,000 kilograms of insects in one night. That's what everyone at Batfest is waiting for now. The moment when 1.5 million bats wake up, leave the bridge, and fill the evening sky. And I'll be right here to see it. Bats or no bats, Austin is a cool city. It's a college town, so there are a lot of young people. It's also home to music festivals and car racing. People in Austin like to celebrate everything. So why not the bats? But Batfest is about more than bats. There's so much happening.
Okay. So do you think
Lesson.
do you think your prediction was correct? Prediction me guess. You guessed it was a bad festival? Was it right?
Yeah, I think guess it's bat.
Yeah. So your guess were it was Bat Festival, and it's a festival about for the bat. They celebrate for the bats. So it's called Bat Fest. Fest is the short form of festival, Bat Festival, but Bat Fest. Okay, so you're right. And we have a few questions. Can you read the questions? What does?
Where does the festival take place?
Where do?
Yeah, downtown.
I know, but you can listen again and answer the questions. But for now, just
Yes.
read all the questions. Where do?
Where do the bus comes from?
You can answer later and listen again and answer.
What moment are the people waiting for?
Yeah.
How many buses are there?
So we have 4 questions to answer. How many bags?
Where?
What moment
Yes.
are the people waiting for? What moment is
How?
what time? You know, and where do the bats come from? This is the place they come from. And where does the festival take place? Where are they celebrating this festival? So I'm gonna play the audio again and try
Yes.
to get the answers.
Lesson 4.4, page 40. Exercise 1B and 1C.
We know them from bad dreams and scary movies. Creatures of the night that drink our blood and become vampires. I'm talking, of course, about bats. But not everyone thinks bats are really scary. There is a place where these little animals are very popular. So popular, in fact, that once a year there is a festival to celebrate them. That place is Austin, Texas, and the festival is Bat Fest. Every year, bats from Mexico fly north and spend the summer under the Congress Avenue Bridge in downtown Austin, right under my feet. At the moment, it's daytime, so they're sleeping. In a few hours, when the sun starts to go down, it's dinner time. And these bats are hungry. Together, they eat about 10,000 kilograms of insects in one night. That's what everyone at Batfest is waiting for now. The moment when 1.5 million bats wake up, leave the bridge, and fill the evening sky. And I'll be right here to see it. Bats or no bats, Austin is a cool city. It's a college town, so there are a lot of young people. It's also home to music festivals and car racing. People in Austin like to celebrate everything. So why not the bats? But Batfest is about more than bats. There's so much happening.
Right, so where does the festival take place? Where are they
ရ
celebrating?
ပါလား Austin Texas อ่ะ
Yeah, Austin, Texas.
Austin Texas
Yeah, the one in the picture. Congress Avenue Bridge. So you can see a bridge
Austin Texas ဟာ
where they celebrate, but the city is Austin, Texas. And
Austin
where
Texas
do the bats come from? Where do they come
ရှက်အဲ့တော့နားထောင်တာမရ
Okay, how about what moment are the people waiting for? What do they want to see from the festival?
ဆရာက musical festival
No, another one. Okay, it's okay. How about how many bats are there?
1.5 millions
Okay, so you got 2 questions right, but not 2 and 3. Let's listen and find the answers again. So we have to find where do they come from and what are the people waiting for?
ဟု
What
တ်
do people want to see from the festival?
Lesson 4.4, page 40. Exercise 1B and 1C.
We know them from bad dreams and scary movies. Creatures of the night that drink our blood and become vampires. I'm talking, of course, about bats. But not everyone thinks bats are really scary. There is a place where these little animals are very popular. So popular, in fact, that once a year there is a festival to celebrate them. That place is Austin, Texas, and the festival is Bat Fest. Every year, bats from Mexico fly north and spend the summer under the Congress Avenue Bridge in downtown Austin, right under my feet. At the moment, it's daytime, so they're sleeping. In a few hours, when the sun starts to go down, it's dinner time. And these bats are hungry. Together, they eat about 10,000 kilograms of insects in one night. That's what everyone at Batfest is waiting for now. Everyone thinks bats are really scary. There is a place where these little animals are very popular. So popular, in fact, that once a year there is a festival to celebrate them. That place is Austin, Texas, and the festival is Batfest. Every year, bats from Mexico
Bags front. Every year, bags front. Did you hear that?
every year the Mexico.
Mexico.
fly
Yeah.
here. Every year, bats from
Mexico.
Mexico fly north and spend the summer under the Congress Avenue Bridge in
So they fly into Texas, the bridge, the picture.
Every year come from Mexico.
The bags are from Mexico. They fly
Mexico.
Mexico.
downtown Austin, right under my feet. At the moment, it's daytime, so they're sleeping. In a few hours, when the sun starts to go down, it's dinner time. And these bats are hungry. Together, they eat about 10,000 kilograms of insects in one night. That's what everyone at Batfest is waiting for now.
That's what is everyone is waiting for. So they are waiting for the bags to eat.
So many.
Did you get it? This
Now, the moment when 1.5 million bats wake up, leave the bridge, and fill the evening sky.
So she says 1.5 billion but they wake up, they are hungry, so they're flying from the end of the bridge to the sky. And then she says,
And I'll be right here to see it. Bats or no bats, Austin is a cool city. In moment when 1.5 million bats wake up,
okay,
leave the bridge,
leave the
and
bridge.
fill the evening sky. And I'll be right here to see it. Bats or no bats, Austin is a cool city.
This part.
Together, they eat about 10,000 kilograms of insects in one night. That's what everyone at Batfest is waiting for now.
That's what everyone is waiting for. So everyone is waiting for them to eat. See all the bats, 1.5 billion bats eating insects. So it's a lot of bats.
Insect. But
All right, so you get the answer now? You got the
yeah,
right? Did you get the answer? Did you get the
yes, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I got answer. I got answer.
Yeah. So what do you think? What other things will happen at this festival?
Other things.
Yeah,
What
what
other
things
things?
can happen? You can think of something possible. What else will happen there?
ဆရာသူတို့ scary ဖြစ်တာပြောလို့ရ
Yes, so people can be scary.
I think there are other things happen is scary
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
ကြည့်
Million.
excited ပါပြောတယ် they are excited
They are excited to see, okay? All right, so let's listen and you can say after listening what other things happen.
how
Lesson 4.4. Page 40. Exercise 1D.
But Batfest is about more than bats. There's so much happening. Later, I'm going to a live concert in the park. Some great bands are playing. There's also a bat costume contest, and I'm speaking to the winners in about an hour. And of course, I can't wait to try some of the world famous Texas barbecue.
Okay. So, what
This is
things
for
they have, did you hear any other things happening?
yeah, the color. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
Le- Lesson 4.4. Page 40. Exercise 1D.
But Batfest is about more than bats. There's so much happening. Later, I'm going to a live concert in the park. Some great bands are playing. There's also a bat costume contest, and I'm speaking to the winners in about an hour. And of course, I can't wait to try some of the world famous Texas barbecue.
Lesson 4.
She said there
ဆိုတော့သူတို့လဲပြီးတော့သူတို့လဲတယ်လဲပြီးတော့သူတို့ကြည့်တယ်ကြည့်ပြီးတော့နောက်ဆုံးကျ barbecue တယ်
yeah.
Lesson
So there they can have barbecue, that's one thing. But there are other things she mentioned.
4.4.
you can have
Page
barbecue.
40. Exercise 1D.
But Batfest is about more than bats. There's so much happening. Later, I'm going to a live concert in the park.
What's that?
I'm going to them in the
Live.
park
I'm going to the live concert.
like ဟုတ်
Concert in the park. So concert is a music band. You know, concert.
concert ကဟုတ်ရှာ
So they have
တေး
concert.
ဂီတာပွဲ
That's
Huh.
the thing.
Some great bands are playing.
Mhm.
There's also a bat costume contest.
There is also
costume
bad costume contest.
costume content bad costume content ဆိုတာ
Contact ဆိုပြိုင်ပွဲ
ဟုတ်
they know ဝစ်ဆောင်ပြိုင်ပွဲပေါ့ so you have music band costume contest and the last one is barbecue or Texas barbecue in their city, right? So these are other things happening.
သုံးခုဟုတ်စရာ
Would you like to go to this festival?
Yes, I would like to go this event because they are scary and excited. I want to join it.
Okay, it's exciting, yeah. It's scary as well. All right. Okay, let's read announcement. This is Isabella announcement. In the announcement, we can see date, time, place. So can you read the announcement? Back first.
Beauty bad guy bad face.
Yeah, beauty bag ကအဲ့ဒီပုံတွေကအကောင့်လေးပြောတာကိုးကောင့်လေးလေအဲ့ဒါ
ဟုတ်
back လို့ခေါ်တယ် so September
September 19, 1 p.m. City Museum of Science. Location.
that's the location and date, time, and can. So there's a description. Welcome to the
Welcome to Best Fest, a celebration of the wonderful world of insects. Come and join us on the 19th and find out why we love best. There's something for everyone.
yeah. So all day, the whole day, what are they going to do? Scientists.
All the scientists from the museum are presenting their favorite best.
12 to 3 p.m.
12 to 3 p.m. Our team of top chefs is also cooking some great insect dishes. 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Two local artists are painting the best. You can paint them too. 1 p.m. late. We have music as well. Local brands are playing in the museum garden.
Yeah. So by reading the announcement, do you think you want to go there? The breakfast. And
The
why?
breakfast, I want to go there.
So why do you want to go to the breakfast?
တစ်ခုပဲပြောမှာလဲဆရာ
ပြောချင်တာအကုန်ပြောလိုက်တာတစ်ခုလည်းရတယ် It's okay.
I want to join is all day.
Want to join all day. So why would you want to join all day? You like painting?
Because yes, they
And
they
yeah,
are sure the presenting their favorite bus.
yeah, their favorite bags. Do you have favorite bags?
I have a favorite bus.
Grasshopper is this one. မြက်ခုတ်တဲ့ကောင်ဆို grasshopper လို့ခေါ် grasshopper. Flying bee. Bee also is a bag, is a kind of bag. Caterpillar.
Oh, the flying bees.
Yeah, caterpillar, something like that. So, okay, so you want to see the favorite bags of the scientists. And how about
Oh,
insect dishes? 12 to 3 p.m. So they have, chefs, top chefs cooking some great insect dishes. Is it interesting? Have you ever trying
yes.
insect?
I want interested because this insect dishes how to cook. I don't know.
You don't know how to cook.
Yes,
How about
that's why I want to join it.
have you ever eaten? Do you think you like to eat? You want to eat them?
I don't know.
You don't know. You have never eaten insect like the picture in the picture. Have you ever eaten?
Have you ever
Have
eaten?
you ever eaten the sapula insect like this?
ရှားဝါလေးပရစ်
Cricket, but yeah.
cricket လို့ခေါ်လားဆရာ
Yeah, it's a kind of bug, right? So
I have eaten is cricket.
yeah, mostly what we know is frying. They frying the
Yes, they fly. They are fly.
yeah. Right. So okay, cool. So can you find there was an as well also two in the announcement? Announcement am I exactly do that? As well two also
ဟုတ်
which one?
true.
So our team of
But
top
true.
is also cooking some great insect. This is also. Can you find X as well? As well. Where is as well?
As well, 1 p.m. late. We had music as well.
And two.
True. Two local artists are painting the bed. You can pay them too.
Yeah. So these was as well also two. Do we use them to say in addition or to finish?
In addition. In addition.
In addition, yes. It means it's not finished. There is more and more.
Oh,
In addition, also too, so it's not finished. There are things you can do more. It's adding more things. That's why it's used for in addition, correct? So by looking at the announcement, what do you see? Do you see activities, address, date, place, price, time? So can you see all of them? Or what do you see? What can you find from the announcement? You see activity? Yes or no?
so I did maybe price don't have.
Yeah, there's no price, correct. There is no price. How about time and place, date,
The activities.
address? Do they have address?
Address ကဆရာဟိုနေရာတော့ location တော့ပါဟိုလိုကြီးတော့
There is
Ah.
place, but there is no address. Right? There's a
How?
name of the place, but address is like saying the street, the house name. So there's no address like that.
There's no have address and price.
All right, so let's move on to the next topic. Can you think of a gift that you love that a friend or family member gave you when they travel somewhere?
Someone.
Yeah, so you got a gift from your friend or family and you left that, and the gift you got is and they bought while they were traveling. Do you ever receive a gift like that? Someone travel and buying you a gift. So can you think of that one? What gift did you get?
When I travel someone, I
Not
give
when you travel. When your friend or your family member, they travel and they buy you a gift and you liked it. So
my
what
friend.
did you have? Did you receive any gift?
Did you receive any gift?
Yeah.
Yes, any gift.
Yeah, what was that? What did you receive?
What was that?
What gift did you receive from your friend or family member?
ရှားပါလေဟိုဟာဘယ်လိုလဲအရင်တစ်ခါပါပါပဲ
ไปหา
ဆရာထိုင်းဘက်မှာလေဆက်ပြရတယ်အလားဆင်ဟိုလေအလှခဲလေးလေလက်ဆောင်ပေးလို့ရတဲ့ဟာလေး
สับยา
ဟုတ်တယ်ဆရာသူကအဲ့လိုပန်းလေးလေဆရာအရင်တစ်ခါဝယ်လာဟိုနှင်းစီပန်းဆိုလဲနှင်းစီပန်းနဲ့ရတယ်ဆရာနှင်းစီပန်းပွင့်ဆက်ပြ
perfume no
I think there's a perfume ဆရာ perfume ပါလောက်တယ်တော်ဘာလို့ဆိုနှင်းစီနဲ့နှင်းစီပန်းပွင့်ပုံဆိုနှင်းစီနဲ့ရလိမ္မော်ဒီဆိုရင်လိမ္မော်ဒီနဲ့ရ
liquid အရေလားအခဲလား solid
မဟုတ်ဆရာအခဲပဲဟိုဆက်ပြပဲဆရာ
okay
အဲ့ဒါရဟိုကကျပတ်စံအိတ်ကလေးက traditional ဘက်လိုပဲပြောမှာ
yeah so you got them from Thailand and အဲ့လိုမျိုးအနံ့ပါတဲ့ဟာဆိုလို့ရှိရင် fragrance ကရနံ့လို့ပြောတယ်
pregnant ဟုတ်
fragrance ကိုမှအစီဆိုရင်အနံ့စီဆိုရင် fragrance oil ပေါ့နော်အခဲဆိုရင်
personal oil
solid ပြောလို့ရတယ် cube
အဲ့ဆိုဒါကျဆရာ fragrance solid ပေါ့
fragrance cube cube ဆိုရင်အတုံးခဲပြီးပြောလို့ yeah okay all right thanks for your answer so think of these questions the first one is when you travel to another city or country what gifts do you bring back to your friends or family so this is what you buy for your friends when you travel somewhere what do you usually buy
ဆရာဒီဘက်ကအောက်ဆုံးပေါ့
You can just say ပုံနေရဟာမှာမဟုတ်ဘူးပေါ့နော်ကိုယ်ဝယ်ဘူးတဲ့အားပြောပြ What do you usually buy when you travel to give your friends or families
ဒါဟာလေခုန fragment solid and traditional bed
yeah huh?
that's all
And what about you what kind of things do you like to receive ကိုယ်အနေနဲ့ဆိုရင်ဘယ်လိုမျိုးလက်ဆောင်ရချင်လဲ like perfume glasses or anything
anything is okay
anything is okay okay so what about from the pictures if you have to choose from the picture for your friends or family what will you choose
ဒီဆရာဒီအောက်ကနှစ်ပုံဟွာလေးဆရာအင်ကြီးထိုးတာနဲ့
scarf
အောက်ဘယ်လိုခေါ်ထိုးတာ
you can say like
ဆရာအဲ့ဒါဒီဘက်ကလေဆရာဟိုလေအလားချိတ်တဲ့ဟာလေး cute ပုံလေး
okay like shells seashells
seashell ဟုတ်ပင်လေ cute ခေါ်
yeah craft
seashell
crabs ဆိုအဲ့လက်မှု
crabs
ပစ္စည်းလေးပေါ့နော် crabs or
ဟုတ်
sea okay
ဆရာဒီဘက်ကအင်ကြီးထိုးတဲ့ဟာ
အဲ့ဒါကြတော့ပဝါဆိုလို့ရှိရင် scarf ဟိုလိုမျိုးရှုံတဲ့ဟာ
scarf
yeah
ဟုတ်
ဒီဟာကြတော့လေအဲ့လိုမျိုး handicraft ပဲပေါ့နော်လက်မှုထိုးထားရဆို handicraft scarf အုတ်ထုပ်လေးဆိုရင်လည်း
handicraft scarf
handmade ပေါ့နော်
handy scarf
handmade
ဟုတ်
hat okay
handicraft scarf and sharp
အဲ့ဒါ
care
အဲ့ထိုးတဲ့ဟာကြာ weaving လို့ခေါ်တယ်သူမွေးထိုးတာပါ
weaving
weaving
ဟုတ် wait
Okay. Handmade weaving scarf, handmade weaving hats.
it's called
Okay. All right. So imagine you are going to stay with a friend in another country. So you are going to visit your friend and you are going to stay at her house. So you are going to give your host ကကြကိုယ်အဲ့လိုမျိုးထားတဲ့သူပေါ့နော်ကိုယ့်ရဲ့အိမ်ရှင်ပေါ့နော်အိမ်ရှင်ကို
ဟု
two
တ်
so you're going to give her two gifts. One is something typical from your town or region. Something typical is something regular. ကိုယ့်ရဲ့မြို့ကထွက်တဲ့ပုံမှန်တစ်ခုခုပေါ့နော်ဒါတစ်ခု
ဟုတ်
Number two is something funny. Something funny is funny. You can think of anything. So you can only spend $50. So before thinking about the gift, can you like how do you plan to travel? By plane, by train, or by bus? If you travel to another
fine plane
by plane, okay. Is your host female or male?
female
And is your host old or young?
yes yen
Yes, young. So you can think of two gifts. Something typical from your
two kids ဟုတ်
town is from Myanmar. But something funny is it could be anything. So what would
ဒီ
you
မှာ
say?
ကောင်းနေ
Yeah.
မြေဟိုတငယ်ချောလာဆောင်ရှာပကန်းနေလေ
Mm-hmm. So what's the typical something typical ဆိုတာပုံမှန်ပေါ့နော် Did that right?
certificate ပကန်းဒေတာထွက်ဆိုတာပကန်း typical ပဲ
Yeah, something from Bagan. Well, yeah, but what's that thing? Bagan traditional gift. Souvenir also Bagan souvenirs.
ရှာဟွာလေးအင်ကြီးအဲ့လိုသူတို့ဒီပကန်းထွက်တဲ့အင်ကြီးလိုပါကြဝမ်းဆက်ဟာကြဘယ်လိုခေါ်
And you can just say is drugs. One that's when Gawain
yes
drugs.
dress ပဲ
Yeah.
ဟာ
So drugs
traditional dress
traditional drugs from Bagan traditional drugs. Yeah.
ဟုတ်ပကန်း traditional dress
Okay, that's one thing. And what about something funny? Something funny it is a gift.
funny spend got $50 အဲ့ကြဘယ်လို
I think that could be a bit fun. For example, I used to get a very small like tag. Tag give me something we can put on our shirt. Very small toys. We can put it on our like bag or it was funny for me because I think I got it like small mushroom ones from
mushroom
yeah.
ဟုတ်
It was very small and I have never seen this as well. I would never buy that for myself. It's very small one but I got it as a gift and it was funny for me. So it's something like that. Some small things.
butterfly oh yeah the butterfly
Yeah. Yeah, so you can get something small. It's funny sometimes, especially for the boys. So we don't usually do those kind of things on chat and yeah. All right. Okay. So these are this is something to check your understanding from the previous lessons. So can you say like five jobs? What are five jobs? Five profession? Like five
profession ဖြစ်ရမှာလားဆရာ
yeah, five jobs or five profession, the same. For example, driver, like this. Driver. This is an example. When you say five jobs.
ဆရာ technician ရောရလားဆရာ
ရတယ်
technician driver nurse doctor and then
อือหือ
ဆရာ security ရောရ
security yeah
professional ဆိုဆရာ waiter
right down okay the last one
ဟာ waiter and then ဆရာ contraction အစားအုပ်ဆောက်တဲ့လူက contraction worker
construction worker construction
ဟာ
yeah
construction worker
okay good and think of two special events like back festival for example special events
special events two special events ဆရာဒီနိုင်ငံဟာပဲပြော
behind the eye
two special events ဆိုရင်ဆရာ water festival တင်းကျန်
yeah water festival and
တင်းကျန် water festival and then not ပါလိဆရာတစောင်းတိုင်း
that sound like okay and three words about pop culture pop
podcast
yeah we just landed last week pop like it's related to music TV celebrity this is pop culture so you can think of three words related to pop culture
ဆရာ music band လေးရ
yes exactly
podcast
band
band ဆရာ show ပွဲရော yeah
show is a great show
yes band shows and podcast ဆရာ live festival ကလည်းကချာတဲ့ပါမပါ podcast
no festival event ဖြစ်သွားပြီပွဲတွေရ
ဟာ band ဆရာ show ရေ
ဟုတ်ပြောမှာမဟုတ်ဘူး music for ကလေ band band
ရှင်
ဟောခုန band ကျတော့ပွဲကိုပြောမှာမဟုတ် band ကကျတော့ music ကို
ဟုတ်
so band တို့ပြီးရင်ခုနက stage show
show
okay could
ဆရာ
be
concert က
concert is okay yeah concert
ဟုတ်
and also you can think of like rock right rock
rock ဟာ
and
ဟုတ်
music they also pop culture rock classical traditional music right and the next thing is say you don't need to write say two things you are planning to do on the weekend maybe tomorrow and use the present continuous for example if you are planning to go to the waterfall I'm going to the waterfall on the weekend like that so say two things like that by using present continuous in me I would go so I'm going to yeah
tomorrow weekend I'm going to the ဟွာလေးဆရာမင်္ဂလာဆောင် wedding
to the wedding yeah tomorrow
yes I'm going to the wedding tomorrow and then I'm going to the 那是 buy shopping
I'm going shopping
shopping လာမှာပါဆရာတို့တော့ဝယ်ရမှာ I'm shopping လို့ပဲပြောလို့ရတယ်ဆရာ we are shopping
we are shopping tomorrow is okay
we are shopping and then we are going to the wedding
Mhm.
tomorrow
Okay, good. And then, can you say three gifts you can wear? Three gifts you can wear.
guess you can wear so earring
Yeah. Earrings, we can wear earrings.
and rings
Rings, okay.
foot chain
Foot chain, okay, good. Yeah. You can also say shoes. We also wear the shoe hacks.
also နောက်ကသူက2နှစ်ခုကစား
အခုက3ခုကဝတ်တဲ့ဟာ two you can
အော်
use
ဟုတ်
and two
you
two
can
gifts.
use
So not wearing, not eating, but using. So we can use that gift.
phone
Phone, okay. It's an expensive
phone and laptop,
phone, laptop, water bottle, glass. Yeah.
water bottle, yes, eyeglasses.
And when you can eat, what gift can you eat?
Can you eat?
Yeah, one thing you can eat and it's a gift. It could be anything. Eatable.
The snack.
Snack. Okay, snack. Lapatong.
Yeah, laptop.
Okay. So we have two sentences, 1 and 2, and you have to complete that sentence with object pronoun. So you have to
Object pronoun.
read that sentence and fill in the blank with object pronoun. Soccer is his favorite sport.
Soccer is his favorite sport. I love it too.
I love it too. Yeah, I love it too.
Uh,
Their parents.
I love it too. Their parents always give them.
Mm-hmm.
စာတမ်းများမလား
Yes, give them many.
Their parents always give them money for their birthdays.
Okay. So how do we make invitation? How do we invite someone to the festival?
Invitation လုပ်ပြရ
Yeah. How do you invite me to the wedding voicemail?
Yes. Would you like to wedding
But no, I don't want to marry now.
wedding tomorrow?
Would you like to come or would you like to
Would you like to come?
yeah, come. Would you like to come along with X to the wedding?
Would you like to come along with us at the
With X
wedding?
X with
With
what?
us.
The no, no, with us to the
ဟုတ်
yes.
With us to the wedding.
And how do you accept that invitation if you are going? How do you accept the invitation? So if I say, how would you like to come along with us to the wedding? And how do you say? How do you answer?
I would like to join tomorrow.
Yeah, I would like to
I would
come.
like to join us tomorrow.
Yes. Okay, yeah, that's it. And yeah, thank you so much. That's all for tonight. If you have any
Okay.
questions, you can ask.
ဆရာမနှက်ပြန်ကို join ရမှာလားဆရာ
အားပြန်ရတယ်
ဟုတ်
။ဘိုင်းမှာလား
ရှင်းဆရာ